I'm gonna be showing you guys my Mazdaspeed 6 and what it's like to drive a straight pipe Mazdaspeed 6 in California. Alright, so my girlfriend, she's about to start up my car, and then you guys will hear it in a minute. Not yet, okay? I'll tell you when. Anyway, she's about to start it up, and this is how it sounds. It's been a few days too. Really might get a state ref. Sorry, I don't know if it's gonna be a state ref, but we'll see. I mean, we'll see. This shit sounds nice though. It's been a few days since I started it up, so we're gonna take a little drive. Been a little iffy on driving this car because, man, I'm not trying to get pulled over. So we about to get on the freeway right now, and I seen a cop around me. I'm not too nervous though. I'm gonna get on this. I'm gonna get on this freeway. I'm gonna do a pull right now. Oh, we gotta be cool. You can see that sheriff's office right there. Oh shit, that's the sheriff's office. I forgot. I'm dumb as fuck. Ghetto ass. Now we're on the freeway. We're about to exit towards Berkeley. No cops, that's good. I just gotta make sure, man. Look at these people, man. I'm scared. I'm scared because not just for the cops, but the drivers around me. It's raining. This guy is signaling, but he's not even switching lanes, so it's kind of like. It's too loud. But we're gonna get out of here soon. Oh my god, there might be a cop around here. Alright, y'all.
Music line.
Oh shoot.
Coffee.